Good. Tell them it's good.
It's good.
You ready? Okay. Okay, welcome back. We are going to cook some easiest way to cook whole trout baked in the oven. Real easy to clean them. Caught these this morning. You're just going to go backwards, clean the scales off, got them, and do the other stuff. We're going to leave the skin on, salt and pepper both sides, and then we're going to put, you can use oil or butter on your tin foil. I prefer butter. It wasn't stuck. Now it is.
I put butter inside mine.
You already put it inside. You're going to put some on the bottom on your tin foil. You already got it in there?
Yeah.
All right. And then you're going to put a couple wedges in or use oil inside.
I'm going to add it in.
You're going to add more ingredients. You're going to take some minced garlic. Put some inside of yours. Put it right in there. Minced, chopped, whatever you got.
Dad.
Yeah.
You put it in.
Me put it in? Okay, I'm going to put it in. Fill that right up. And then we're going to put some lemon slices inside.
Mom, we had trumpets over here.
You got that? Yeah, you can put some garlic on top if you'd like. We leave all the skin on. We can take that off after. And then you're going to put some butter on top. Or oil, whatever you're using.
I want some oil on mine.
Now you already started with butter. Here, put those butters on top. Got it? Right on top. Just like that. Just like that. And then you can put another couple slices of lemon on top. Salt and pepper, any other spices you want. We got some rice cooking. Some herb and butter is what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
So you don't need to watch me cook rice. And then we're going to take a little bit parsley.
I put it on.
Throw that on top.
I put it.
You put yours on, shake it on there.
Shake, 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 shake.
Shake, shake. Oh, there we go. That's good. Well, yours is going to taste tasty.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to make a little tinfoil tent. We've got the oven at set to 400. If you got, medium to small trout like this, 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that looks great. Nice job.
Put my wine like that.
Just like that. 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. If you got medium to small ones like these size at 400 degrees, and we'll check in after they're cooked. Sound good? Okay. What do you think, Fauna? Does that look good?
Yeah.
All right. Time to dig in. You can just pull these top fins right out. They'll come right out of there. Put them away. Look at that. Bottom ones. You don't want to eat those. No?
I want to do it.
Pull them out. I don't particularly like the skin, so I won't eat the skin. But if you'd like to eat the skin, feel free to eat the skin.
Me,
I don't want it. If it was fried, maybe. Not in the oven.
I don't want it.
I'll just peel it back and then just take you just for you.
Good.
Good? Tell them it's good.
Good.
Is that good?
Dad.
So we should eat more trout. Okay. Fauna,
Dad, what are you?
those are the bones. So it's Fauna approved. This is pretty quick and easy. I hope you guys give it a try. This one likes it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Is that good stuff? You were eating it all. What, bud? You good? Look at that big piece. It's like a big piece of tuna.